I'm actually going to show you how to fix yellowing on your sneaker soles. This is actually common on sneakers that has icy soles on them. Usually this yellowing is caused by a process called oxygenation, which you can't actually escape. This is natural with icy soles or clear or transparent soles. And as you can see, this Jordan 1 sneakers is actually starting to show one on it. So I will show you how to actually fix this. This won't actually whiten the sole completely, but it will somehow make it much more clearer than what is showing now. So let me show you what I use. Alright, so here's what I use to treat the yellowing of my sneaker soles. It's actually a very popular product that you can buy online here in the Philippines, but you can use any brand you want as long as it's a whitening sauce. Just make sure to check the reviews on their website to see how effective the product is. So here's what I do to use this. I just need to make sure it's shaken well, right? Alright, so once you have shaken the bottle, just apply a small amount on your soles, on the shoe soles, and spread it evenly. And just make sure that you wash your shoe soles before applying this so that it won't get contact with dirt. And also make sure to apply it thinly as possible, because you don't need to apply a very large amount on your shoe soles to be able to make this effective. So I'm going to pause the video now so that I can apply this as evenly as possible. Alright, so once the sauce is applied evenly, all you need to do is cover the soles in clear plastic. So I have here one. I will cover this now. Let me pause the video. Just make sure that you cover this as much as possible, and then I'll pause the video once done. Alright, so I have actually covered this in cellophane or clear plastic. I'm just going to leave it under the sun. Alright, make sure that the sole, the treated sole, is facing the sun as much as possible, and leave it there for like a good 30 minutes to an hour. Just make sure that you do this early morning or late afternoon, so that the temperature isn't that high. Make sure also that the sauce does not come in contact with any of the shoes collar, so that you won't damage the shoes. So I'll pause the video again and get back to you once I uncover this. Alright, so once you have taken the plastic off, just rinse it with water, and make sure that you tilt it sideways so that the water won't flow on the upper part of the sneakers. And use a shoe cleaning soap, which can be bought anywhere, and use your handy tool, toothbrush or a small brush, so that you can rinse the sauce off. So once this is done, you can wipe this off with a towel, and I'll show you the results afterwards. Alright, as you can see, this sneaker sole is more transparent this time, less yellowing. So you can repeat the steps to apply the sauce like 2 to 3 times, depending on how much result, wider result you want. Just be careful not to use too much of the salt on the sole, so that it will be effective. Thank you.